Send me the location, then I'll be right there. You make her come check you, my baby. No time, no. My dog is on probation. Another 5 years. You bring girls to his location. No time.
Happy Valentine one. This is Christmas. This is your girl Ungulu Lego, but people call me Kulu, and I'd like to call you guys my fine babes and fine gents because y'all are fine. So this is my first ever YouTube video and I'm excited to start this journey. I hope you guys are going to love me. I think I'm bored as the week goes by, but nothing much is happening this week. Prepare umhlaka 20, which is around the corner, like 2 days from now. Lloyiso Elephant in the room event is happening, so I'm looking forward to that. This is my secret Santa to Lauren. Merry Christmas, Lauren and your family. I love you, girl. And yeah, wishing you all the best in the new year to come.
The next day.
Hello, Chopper. I'm at work at the moment. It's break time and I cannot wait for the Secret Santa thing to start. I'm looking forward to the food now. Secret Santa 2025. Giving grown mom decoration. As you can see, that's her, Caitlin, Lauren, Mo, Manals. That's who. We got Lundy in the building.
You have to come this side. It's not nice to keep a bag that's empty. I get this guy in the mom.
Yes, yeah.
People! It's amazing!
Inside the present!
Another also a most beautiful lady, new addition to our team.
It's a gift inside a gift.
It's a gift.
Brace yourselves. It's what you wanted.
I get that you got style for days. Yeah. I get it.
Then you take that. Oh! Imagine. The couple of
Moment of silence for the couple. Ngingena ngoba nikhethene kwayimanje. Hayi bo.
Wait for it. I'm concerned about what you said. Let me go.
The next day.
I realize I haven't talked to you guys like at all. I'm new to this YouTube thing, so bear with me. I just got to work and I'm very late. I needed to come fix my hair, so I'm just gonna go and start working. I don't have anything on the agenda today, so I'm going to speak to you guys when there's something going on, because nothing is going on. So I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and Lomlilo, awebig nazi. Lomlilo, uyashisa ngalozi. Uzungarozi. Tanda right now. Maybe before I didn't love myself the way I love myself now. I've learned, I've experienced a lot of things, and I have been hurt a lot of times. I know my worth more than anything now. I know that I can do a lot of things. I'm capable of doing a lot of things. Bro, I just renovated my home twice in the past 4 years. All me, with no help. So ngidlulwa ilutho ngimbokodo. Kunezinye izinto engizenzile engi-achievile that I wouldn't like to talk about them right now until they are in full play. But I realized, no, girl, you really got the shit. Like, you're doing so well for yourself. Yes, it's not easy. Yes, you might feel like or but you got this, man. You got this, okay? I'm still gonna carry on with the hair install. So let me just install my hair while I'm talking. Right, I am. Came to a point whereby I realized it's ghosting. Yes, I'm not where I want to be. Like, I can see my peers, they're doing way better for themselves. But as Pume Makaya afanayo, mina Pume Kaya whereby umanga no baba washeshe washon. My parents passed away while I was very young. And I had to grow up in a family whereby I'm taken care of. No, I saw to Siswami. My second born from my mom is actually taking care of us very well, but obviously she was not working throughout the whole time while she's taking care of us. Most of the time she's taking care of us, she would have like a job and then unemployed, and I was like, when I do get a chance to start working, or when I do like get a job, I definitely will make her life way easier, way better, than what it is right now, because she's working very hard to make sure we go to bed, sidlile, and I did just that. So Nkululeko is currently 23 years old, a very mature 23-year-old. I believe I am very matured. From the things I've went through, I realized what is inclusive as a woman, and some of the things I wish I never went through them, but I did. So uNkulunkulu yena kuphela owaziyo ngempilo yami nekusasa lami. So whatever I went through, it was because of him wanting me to go through that. So nje angikhalazi kakhulu. I'm grateful for the life he gave me. It needs a lot of patience and a lot of construction, but I am in the process of building my life, the life I want. I love a soft life. I love a life that I can afford. Like I want to afford. Ngingabi of imali. Like I always want to have money. Like that's the kind of life I am manifesting for myself. So hopefully that does happen very soon. And God, I trust, and in the hard work that I put into my future. Yeah, but anyways, some of these days in Boyingiti, maybe I do like want to see what would it be like if I started dating again. Yeah, but like have someone who's on tata serious, someone that's gonna appreciate me, someone that's gonna put in the effort, someone that's gonna take care of me, because I'm a queen. So you better treat me like a queen. So as soon as I see that effort, and don't treat her the way I imagine it in my head. No one is perfect for that's for sure, but the effort how much do you care about me, and I'm all about that. That's when I can start taking you seriously and actually give you my heart. Kodwa manje inhliziyo yami uyithola shame ayithobisi ngimtholela isigqoko ngoba hayi bantu siqinile. Yeah. So guys, I don't have much to talk about.
The next day.
Good morning, loves. I'm just showing you my outfit. I wanted to wear this bag because I barely wear it. It's from Shein and I love it so much. It's giving expensive vibes and stuff, but clearly I can't wear it. I can't use it today, so I'm just gonna wear this black bag. Black goes with everything, you know that for sure. So I'm deciding which shoes I can wear today. I don't want a matig. They would have looked good, but I don't have a pair of tickets that will look good with this outfit. Not alrighty. I'm going to work now. I'm already late. Bye. Good morning, guys. It's a Friday and I'm so excited. Last day at work. Excuse me for the short of breath. I'm on my way to work and I'm late, but I gotta show you good. It's sun kissing hands and shine.
Yeah, Nanjela.
Guys, I'm on my break. I'm going to Gateway to run some errands. Started Japanese to get some pizza for me and my nose, and then I need to get her something cute. She's sick right now, so I think that's gonna make her day and stuff. So yeah, we made it to Gateway. Nithi niyathanda ngawashi? Nina nibonasile singazi hayi. Anginake nanokuthi ngi-floor wrong. I will rest. I wanted to get bundles, something else, like something different from Mama Rose. It's Katsang Shai. I'll have to buy her roses. Thank you. Flowers secured. Yeah, I'm late. Yashisa Kizongbilika. That's me. I got you purple because you love purple. Hi my loves. It's home time now. I'm going home. Looking on. I'm not going home. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna run errands or go. So I'm just gonna go with this tree set. I hope it works out for me. We're just gonna go and pay now. Dale, outfit egqokile.
I know. Lalela ngibiza umgawa lapha lo. Ngathi bezithi mzala lapha. Lo ngathi bezithi mzala. Zibeze ipheshela lapha.
Lo guy lo owangidayisela ubhiya wazongibuyisela noshintsho ngamele ngibuyisela ushintsho.
Uyena lo ngathi zithi famba.
Ngifuna ukuphawula nkosami.
Lalela kufika
uku live platform la.
Live.
Yo!
Live. Okay, ngithansela ke live ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Futhi namhlanje afika kuyena ne. Mangifika sezimpolo zintshilo. Ngifike kuyena uGuy ethi ngiyothenga ubhiya ne.
Cha ngiyetha nje setup yabhala.
Ngivenze.
Serious.
Ngifike ngiyothenga ibhiya le. Mangifika kuyithenga ngizothenga ibhiya uzongitshela ngevintage engigqokile ne. Ube like yo ugqoke kahle ngithi ngiyabro nga usoke sharp. Wazi wangilethela i-team yakhe ke ufuna ukuthi ngimmodelele. Uzongiphelele impahla gagelana ngiphelani. Yo!
Inle.
Umbhedo eRitz. Ngibheda ngibela ukuthi mina ngizomodela ngale nto uzoma ngiboni.
The next day.
Good morning from my side, fine babes and fine gents. So this is me before the Lloyiso event. I just woke up and it seems like the sun is coming out. I was really worried that it's a cloudy day, and Lloyiso actually wants us to carry amatro and sit down and enjoy the show. So I hope the weather doesn't disappoint it. I'm not done as yet, but Clique's personals, this is my first time trying them out and I am so impressed. Like hey guys, I am trying to get to the Lloyiso event. The Uber just dropped me off. Thank you. Hello, my fine face and fine chance. I never thought I could renovate my whole home. Welcome to my channel. I'm with my fine face. That's enough.
Send me the location, then I'll be right there. You make her come check you, my baby. No time, no. another 5 years. Bring girls to his location. No time, you house. In the back of right now. I'm on the games you play, never stop right now.
The next day.
Hey loves, my Uber ride is outside. Ubanele ungekhostelile. I just want to show y'all my outfit real quick. I think it's so cute. I love it. Oh my god. Okay. So simple. Yes,